Hi, my name is Matt with Quick Response Fire Supply, and today I want to talk about Coverdome paint covers, why they're important, and when you may need them. Getting paint on your fire sprinklers is not ideal. If any paint gets on them during a project, you will need to replace them in order to ensure 100% functionality and maintain compliance in your system. Even the slightest bit of paint can lead to a failed inspection, and fire sprinkler paint covers are an easy and affordable way to protect sprinkler heads from overspray or accidental brush strokes, saving you tons of money in the long run. These Coverdome paint covers are 3 inches deep and fit most flush or recessed pendant or sidewall sprinklers. They are a highly visible orange color, making it easy to spot against the most common ceiling and wall paint finishes. They are available as an adhesive or with a magnetic bottom to stick to your wall or ceiling. Remember, these are only temporary solutions to avoid getting paint on your sprinkler head. They are meant to be removed as soon as the job is done to ensure proper activation during a fire event. To view our full selection of fire sprinkler paint covers, visit QRFS.com/paintcovers.